So the best way to do that then is to start with the bottom line of the musical alphabet. Now remember that a lot of times if you learned on the piano, you're still going to see this as being a little bit backwards, because most likely you learned the 7 notes, the scale of the key of C in particular, before you learn the 12 notes, because that's a little bit easier to play. You can play something in key. And that's kind of, once again, how we learn things historically, how things were put together. But it makes more sense from an analytical perspective to say, hey, look, what we have now is we have an octave, and we want even units within the octave. So now we've broken out the octave systematically into an equal 12-unit span instead of just the 7 units. But now we have the 12 units. Therefore, when we think about building the major scale formula, it makes sense to first think about the baseline. If you're doing a computer program, or similarly, same thing, mapping this out in your mind, what are you going to have as your baseline, your building blocks, your bricks? You're not going to have the 7 notes. You're going to have the 12 notes, right? 12 notes. That's the baseline. So we've numbered them here.